the 36th Motor Expo, or the Thailand International Motor Expo 2019, held under the concept of Ride and Drive Together Now, was organized by Intermedia Consultant Company Limited at Impact Challenger, Mueang Thong Thani, during November 29 to December 10, 2019. The opening ceremony, presided over by Deputy Prime Minister and Commerce Minister, Mr. Jurin Laksana Wisit, together with the organizing chairman, Mr. Kwanchai Papatpong, was attended in large numbers by the diplomatic corps, executives of car and motorcycle companies, and members of the mass media, both domestic and foreign. On an area of over 60,000 square meters, cars by 34 makers from 9 countries and motorcycles by 26 makers from 9 countries were exhibited, along with ancillary equipment from over 300 vendors. Interesting cars comprised World Premiere, Asia Launch, ASEAN Premiere, Thailand Launches, as well as the latest car models. Interesting motorcycles comprised Asia Launch, Thailand Launches, along with the latest motorcycle models. The booths selling car audio ancillary equipment, together with the booths of the official sponsors, help lend color to the event with plenty of special products, services, and activities. Motor Expo International Pavilion, under the roadmap to expand its scope to cover both B2C and B2B, invited entrepreneurs from China, Indonesia, and South Korea to display products, negotiate trade, and seek new business channels in Thailand. Several seminars and talks were organized by various agencies. Moreover, the Motor Expo is different from other car shows by supporting activities to promote the capability of Thai youth. There were also many interesting activities to join in and win prizes. Motor Expo Canon Photo Contest 2019 on the topic of Iconic. IMC Community displayed the digital media work of IMC. Motor Expo Studio presented live broadcasts of a car talk radio show by well-known professional hosts. Skill Driving Experience Project provided special driving skill training at the lakeside of Mueang Thong Thani. Motoring clubs assembled popular models and brands of cars and big bikes from members of car clubs nationwide. Motor Sports Zone displayed racing cars and modified cars in various styles. Vintage Car Exhibition. Vintage Car Club of Thailand exhibited classic and modern classic cars under the concept of DNA of the Classic. Spirit of the 4x4 Driving School introduced training courses and provided an outdoor mock-up track for visitors to experience 4x4 vehicles as passengers before making purchase decision. Test Drive Ground for visitors to test drive cars of their choice. Test Track for automated driver assist system to try out cars of their interest. Road to IAM Bangkok 2020 selected modified cars to be displayed at IAM Bangkok 2020. Car meeting for owners of modified cars from various car clubs. Motorsport Old Boys organized a reunion of senior racing drivers in the motorsport circles. Motor Expo Boat Fest 2019 displayed jet skis, boat engines, yacht models, water sports equipment, and activities. Special contests for big prizes worth altogether over 3.5 million baht to return profit to visitors comprised: buy a car, win a mini Model Cooper S Countryman entry worth 1,989,000 baht. Buy a ticket, win an all-new MG3 hatchback Model D worth 554,000 baht. Buy merchandise to win a Suzuki Celerio Model GX worth 430,000 baht. Buy a motorbike, win a Honda Big Bike Model CB 1000R worth 515,000 baht. Load Motor Expo app and contest for 3 Samsung Galaxy Note 10, 256GB worth 32,900 baht each. The 36th Motor Expo was highly successful, with impressive bottom line as follows. The total number of cars and motorcycles sold was 44,740 units. The total number of cars sold from 34 makers was 37,489 units. The total number of motorcycles sold from 26 makers was 7,251 units. Total sales at the Motor Expo exceeded 50,000 million baht. Total number of visitors exceeded 1.5 million. See you again at the 37th Thailand International Motor Expo 2020, which will return to give color to the Thai automotive circle at Impact Challenger, Muang Thong Thani, during December 2 to 13 this year.